just in case we will not be able to come later. But if we can be sure that we will show ourselves after the program to enjoy the fellowship that we have been enjoying with you for 28 years now. So we look forward to more years of fellowship and association with Sukna and Cebu Trimedia as we endeavor to continue our public service, and rest assured that we will live by the good tenets of good governance that Sukna has guided us by, and will not forgive us if we deviate from this matuwid na daan. So, thank you very much for giving me a little time to share with you. I appreciate it. And may I just beg your excuse that I cannot, I would love to eat with you. I'm sure the food of Sukna is always great because the engineer Edgar here is very meticulous on the food that will be served. And so this is the tradition of Sukna that we enjoy good company, we enjoy good food, and we enjoy good drinks also. So thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you very much, former Congressman of North District. So, Congressman Raul